hollers and hills of West Virginia. It's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode and more rain. Stay tuned. Boom. Don't you just love feeling like you're back in the old country? I just love it. It makes me feel like I'm back in Scotland or England or wherever the heck my family come from, right? Ah, goodness. You can't grow much when all it does is rain and clouds, rain and clouds. A little hard to grow. So, just out here checking on a few things. And figure out some things. I wish it would stop raining just a little bit. It just won't stop. It just keeps coming and coming. It's like the Energizer Bunny. It just keeps going and going and going and going. We want to check some of the things over here. See, because they have, woof, man, that thing's huge. I knew it looked big last night. That thing is a monster today. Look at that. That thing took off. Good gracious. Yeah, she's a big one. She's a big one. We'll keep her covered there. That other one over there, I don't know if it's doing anything or not. Looks like it might have stopped. Ah, that one's growing. All right. Rock and roll, man. What are you doing up there? Keeping out of the rain? Huh? It's a lot of rain, ain't it? Oh, it does. I watered for 14 hours, roughly, this week. Last week, whatever you want to call it. Probably shouldn't have done that, now that it's rained for about 14 hours straight. So, such as it is, I reckon. That's a good-sized melon. I might get something out of that one there. And that one down there is looking like it's going to do pretty good too. We'll take it. We'll take it. Come on, baby, come on. Oof, don't like all the leaves look like they're trying to die on me though. Don't like that too awful much. That corn is good 9/11, y'all. Oh, goodness. Yep, that's a tall one. That is some massive corn. Well, I guess today what we're going to be doing is seed prepping. We're going to be cleaning some seeds and putting them up and showing you how to do all that good stuff. Oh, mercy. And I'll come out here periodically and check on stuff here, but I gotta take these pumpkin vines and do something with them. I need to pick more tomatoes, and it's just never ending. Got pumpkin growing over there I need to cut off. Look at it. I'm gonna shoot through the fence. Are you growing over in there still? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're growing still. All right. Look, we just won a 76 pounder, or 75.5. That'd be enough. State record, baby. State record. Come on. Come on, state records. So, yeah, she's touching the ground. Yeah, she's a touching. She's a touching. Ooh, she's a heavy one too. Goodness. I don't know what to do with her. No, we'll have to talk. Me and Andy have to talk. All right, I gotta go inside. I'm tired of getting rained on. This makes it a lot easier to walk through. Look at that thing, still sapping. It ain't even hooked up and it's pouring sap. That thing is big. I'm gonna roll that joker out there today too. Roll it right on up through here, hopefully. Didn't want to unhook her, but I think it was a good idea. And she was just gonna sit there and keep eating and eating and eating and wasn't really growing much. So, but the seeds inside of her, man, I'm excited for them. I'm ready to gut her and pull the seeds out and start planting them and see what they do. So, all right, let me go inside and start working on some things in there. Peppers everywhere. Oh, mercy. That's the first load. Now I gotta go out here and get peppers for the last chance cook-off. And guys, I want y'all to look at some of these Corno di Toro peppers I'm picking here, guys. I mean, look at that. That's just a massive Corno di Toro pepper. There's a bunch of them in there. I mean, just look at here. Look at this one. Look at that thing. Just a massive pepper. Look at all them over there laying down. I'll have to get the branch up. There's tons of massive Corno di Toro peppers all the way up through here. So these are all Corno di Toros here, and on that end is Anaheims. So, all right, guys, let's keep on picking. Plus, we got all them bananas. Look at all them bananas hanging there. Tons of banana peppers. Tons of tomatoes. Tons of everything. Look at that corn stalk. Good night of living. That thing is massively round. Oh my! Look at the feet on that thing. That's crazy. Crazy. That's even bigger than the ones down there by the fence. Man, that's massive corn. Whew. Grow, baby, grow, baby, grow. Look at all them behemoths laying in there. Pretty cool, ain't it? All right, let me get this. So we're gonna make Haluska. Okay, and we got our wok right there. We got our bacon. We got our pot back here of chicken bouillon. We've got our egg yolk noodles. We've got our cabbage. We've got our onion over across the room and our garlic. And we're going to make this. We just seen old Devildogs make it. Thank you, Devildogs, for our Monday, Labor Day, Monday food, dinner, whatever you want to call it, supper. All right, we appreciate it. So, let's get to cooking this stuff. And, yeah, you know what you're going to do is you're going to take your bacon. If you ain't already seen the video, go watch it. Last Chance Cook-Off. Type it in your search bar button, or excuse me, your search bar. Type in Last Chance Cook-Off, all right? And you will see a bunch of videos pop up that have just been posted the past few days. You want to click on them, and you want to watch them, all right? There's like 99 collaborators all collabing together for the Last Chance Cook-Off. This, you know, it's not a competition or anything. We're just helping each other out, bumping each other's channels, intermingling with each other and stuff. So go check it out. It's a lot of fun. It's been a lot of fun from what I've seen. My video drops on the 19th, guys. On the 19th, you're going to see my video. It's all about the rub, baby. It's all about the rub. But just for today, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. So if you want to see more on this, go check out Devildogs' video on the Last Chance Cook-Off. Devildogs, that's his channel. Go check it out, and you can see what he cooks. It's Haluska or something like that. That's how you pronounce it. Don't ask me. I'm a hillbilly, and I can't pronounce jack crap, all right? But that's what we're going to cook. Got the bacon, got the garlic, got the cabbage, got the onion, got the noodles, got the black pepper, got the daggone salt, and now we're getting ready to make some. Oh, and the Parmesan cheese. And we're getting ready to make something ooey gooey, so delicious. Go check him out, because he's going to have a whole lot better video than I am on how to make it. There it is, Haluska. all put together. Again, go check out Devildogs. Go check out all the videos that are coming out all month long from 99 collaborators. Go check every one of them out. There's like 3 to 4 dropping each day. Some days there's 5 to 7 dropping. The whole month of September. Go check these videos out. Last Chance Cook-Off. Hashtag Last Chance Cook-Off. Go check out Devildogs' Haluski video that he dropped a few days back, and everybody else's. Congratulations on something so good, Devildogs. It tastes good. We like it, and y'all got to try it. So go check out his video so you know how to make it. All right, and then check mine out on September 19th. See ya. So after harvesting all kinds of peppers, roughly, I don't know, I think it was, oh my, look at all them worms. Well, you looking at all them worms? Look at them all. And y'all want to know why I can grow such good stuff around here? Look at all them worms. Y'all see them? Watch them now. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them now. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here. Watch them all. Look here. Look at all of them. Anyway. Man, look at them all. Whole yard. Look at my. Look where I look. You can see the whole yard moving. Get to go on now, I tell you. Anyhow, where is my shovel? Where's that shovel at? I know it's around here somewhere. We got to dig a little bit of a trench or a hole or something here. Oh man, where that long wood, there it is. Because, let's see, any up in here? Yes sir, look at them all. Watch it. Look at my, look there, look at that thing. Good night, 11. Look how big that thing is. I'm just picking. No, you ain't coming out in there, are you? Afraid the worms you're afraid you're gonna get ate by the chickens. I'm a chicken hawk. All right, let's see here. Got my shovel. All right, let's go and do it to it now. See what we can get done here. Digging this little bit of a trench. I hope I hope the rain lets up some more. Look here, all over again. Man, look at it. Goodness. Look at it, look at it, look at it. I mean, everywhere you look. Look at them. There you go. Oh man, there's tons of them in here. Look at all of them. Look at it. Look at all of them. I mean, these should be the most fertile dirt that there is up in here. With all these worms going crazy like that. Shoot fire. We ought to have some of the best soil around with all them worms. I mean, I ain't kidding you now. Look at them go. Everywhere. Oh, hit the ground. All right. Move y'all back a little bit here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dig a trench. I'm gonna bring y'all back here in just a minute. Bugs are flying all around my face and stuff. Hang on. All right, y'all. So, got the hole dug. It's more like a trench that I dug there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a trench. It goes that way. And just trying to keep the water flowing away from it there. We may have to keep digging a trench every day and just keep getting the trench deeper and deeper every day until we are done growing it. I don't know. I'm thinking we should take it off there now, but Annie seems to think a little different though. But I don't know. I think she ought to go now. I think we ought to go ahead and count our blessings and take her on off of here. But Annie wants to keep on growing it, so don't know. I think we should be done and focus on one of the other ones that's growing. Let this one go on ahead and be. I would have took her off today had I had known how to do it without hurting her, because it's a little bit of a feat trying to take her off of there, you know, and not breaking her. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. We'll see. But she's there. She's there. So she's long, baby, long. So we'll see what we end up with. I know all that rain is really putting a strain on this thing as well, so that's another reason why I'd like to get it took care of. So she's a big old gal, and state record. So, all right, guys. Well, we're gonna get on out of here, and well, we hope tomorrow's a better day. If not, I got plenty to do. I got seeds I need to clean and put away and dry and all that stuff. So we'll hopefully have something to do. Hopefully the rain will subside though. But anyhow, guys, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow right here in the Hollers and Hills, West Virginia.
Don't forget to smash that like button, that notification bell.
Good job. Here you go. Thank you. Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And subscribe.